Okay. Now we have to prepare the formation of acid chloride now. That means this is your benzene derivative. From this sequence you have to prepare the formation like this is C combined with oxygen and this is your Cl. This is an acid chloride, and this react with another one, the formation, this is H2 PD, that means palladium, and H2SO4 is this. In term of this sequence, after that we have to use the another one configuration, that is the formation of benzaldehyde. That means this combination, another one product is formed like this. This is your CHO, that is benzaldehyde, and it get react with the formation of HCl. That means this is your acid chloride, this is your benzaldehyde, and this is your an acid, hydrochloric acid is this. That means this formation is directly tends to the preparation of only the aldehyde term. After knowing the every sequence of this, you have to take a note of this, the formation. This is not to be prepared in terms of only the preparation in this. We have also used the another sequences in term of according to this skeletal. So you have to take a note, otherwise I will erase it and take another one example formation. Okay. From these equations we have to prepare the formation. This is like R tends to the methyl substituent, that will combine with COCl2 plus H2, react with some catalyst like H2PD and H2SO4. In term of this, there is a reactant is, that means this is your acid chloride, this is your dihydrogen, combined with this all are the catalyst here, and resultant product is RCHO plus HCl. That means this is your aldehyde that gets prepared with the help of Rosemont reaction, and this is your complete format and the formation of the aldehyde reaction. So take a note for this. After that we have to discuss about another one classification with the help of some gem dihalide. Okay, wait. After the concept of this reaction, now we have to prepare the another aldehyde with the help of reaction, that is named as from gem dihalide. That means two halogens are combined in terms of the series. That is the reaction named as from the gem dihalide. In terms of reaction, our reactant takes place in terms of the formation just like the CH3, CH2, CH combined with 2 chlorine, 1 chlorine, and second one chlorine is this. And in terms of this reaction, we have to use NOH as an base, NaOH. After completing this reaction, our resultant product is forming with the help of that. That is not in the terms of this. Only this chlorine is gets eliminated from this reaction, and this replacement is the way forming another one term, that is your OH here. Now we have to write the another one reaction in terms of this, that is CH3, CH2, CH combined with 2 OH in terms. That means this is your first product having to prepare in terms of gem didyl halide. Now we have to again this is your step 1 and this is your step 2. We have to again draw this structure CH3, CH2, CH combined with this OH and this OH. Now we have to use the catalyst like another one, that is the catalyst of heat and this is eliminate hydrogen from this in terms of water. After this reaction, we have to prepare the another one concept of aldehyde, that is CH3, CH2, and this CHO is here because both hydrogen gets eliminated here. Elimination. That means your preparation of aldehyde. This is acetaldehyde here. That means with the help of another one 2 halides configuration, we have to prepare the aldehyde in this way. Take a note for this. In terms of the reaction way, we have to write that the concept of this ZAM D halide configuration. This is your reactant way, reactant. This is your first product here, and after that this is your step second, and preparation take place. We have also used the another one concept for the preparation of the compound like this in terms of this ZAMD dihalide. Now you have to take a note for this. Okay. Good afternoon. Okay. Now we have to also take a represent for the formation of another one compound, just like the chirality in terms, just like you have to take another carbon for the reaction mechanism. This carbon is attached with 2 halogen, first halogen, second one halogen, and 2 methyl in it, CH3 and CH3. This compound gets react with the another one composition compound, that is your another one compound is potassium hydroxide here. This hydroxide gets terms in the formation of this like a structure. That means this potassium combined with 2 chlorine now. After combination of this compound, that means you have to prepare and eliminate 2 potassium chloride. 2 chlorine combined with this potassium, that is the formation of 2 KCl is get eliminated from this. After elimination, you can represent the formation like this. This is your CH3, this is your CH3. From this condition, this chlorine gets replaced with the help of hydroxide in terms of hydroxy ion. After this composition, you have to again eliminate water from this. That means this is your carbon combined with one OH, second one OH. This is your CH3, this is your CH3. You have to eliminate 2 hydrogen from this. That means this hydroxide ion gets replaced from this. That means you have to prepare aldehyde another in the way. That means after displacing 2 hydrogen from this configuration, you have to prepare the compound like this is your carbon combined with 1 methyl, second 1 methyl, and prepare like this is your ketone preparation. That means with the help of this reaction, this is your ketone. With the help of this reaction of ZAM dihalide, you have to prepare aldehyde first, and now you have to prepare ketone. That means the preparation of ketone gets completed in the way. After knowing this concept, we have to understand about the another one preparation of aldehyde and ketone with the help of Stephan reduction. Now we have to discuss about the Stephan reduction. In terms of the Stephan reduction, we have to take a reactant like a alkyne here. That means carbon-carbon connected with a triple bonding way. That means there is another concept, the Stephan reduction. In terms of the Stephan reduction, wait. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our channel, Singh Amit Official. Today we have to discuss about class 12th chemistry, and we have to study, that is our chapter is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. That means in previous section of video we have to study about the concept of the preparation of the aldehyde and ketone with the help of the many types of the property began to be formed. Now in this video we have to discuss about the another formation of alkane, alkene and alkyne guys. And we have to also describe about the preparation of aldehyde ketone with the help of another one reaction, that is the formation of Rosemond reaction, Rosemond reduction reaction. Now the concept is begin to be form of the Rosemond reduction reaction. In the sequence of this reaction guys, we have to discuss about the formation when an acid chloride is react with the help of some catalyst like H2 and palladium and some sulfuric acid, and when we have to, in terms of this, we have to the formation of reaction and our resultant product is aldehyde. So in this section, in the initial space, we have to use as a reactant, that is an acid chloride. That means we have to use the formation in the terms of the reactant, that is acid chloride, which react with the help of some catalyst like dihydrogen, palladium, and another one is that, just take a note, that is and our resultant reactant and our resultant product is aldehyde. For the concept of this, we have to use also an example for this. How can you prepare the formation and the substance like that? That means in terms of the reaction, the Rosemond reaction take in the way of formation, that is your formation substance. In terms of this is your aldehyde and your reactant is acid chloride base. Okay, after discussing that all formation, we have to prepare the formation here. So before this we have to note it. Okay,
we have to note it. After that we have to take an example. Here just the example formation. We have to write here the formation of this. This is your benzene formatting. Benzene formatting combined with an acid chloride